Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the LR section of the paper. So if we take a look at the LR section, so one thing we can actually note that the question this year seemed to be a bit more trickier side, although the topic remained the same, but then again the question that came on the trickier side, that is it involved a bit more of critical thinking as far as the solving the questions here are concerned. Okay. So what we're going to do, the question that we'll be discussing in this video is pertaining to the blood relation type. So we'll take a look at the question that has been asked, and also we'll try and understand the approach involved towards solving the same as well. So that whenever we come across this kind of question in any kind of future examination, we can easily go ahead and solve them. So with all that said and done, let's focus on the question at hand here. So study the following given information, answer the question. Y is the sister of J. Okay, so we have Y. Okay, Y is a sister, so I'm denoting a female by circle. Okay, and sister of J. So this is J. I don't know the gender of J. L is the wife of J. So that is L is male and L is the wife of J. L. Okay, we have L here. L and J are married. Okay. L has only one son. So talking about L, L has only one son. We don't know about any other child, so we'll keep at that. R. Okay, so R, one son. K is the mother of L. So we have K over here. K is a female. K might be married to someone. And K is the mother of L. Okay, K is the mother of L. K is married to D. K is married to D. D has only one son. So D has one son. So D has only one son, and these two, Y and J, are basically siblings. Okay, Y and J are siblings. So this is more or less my family tree that I have created. Okay, Y and J are siblings. J is married to L. J is the brother. Y is the sister. Mother of L is K. Father of L is D. So husband, wife, these are father and mother. J has one son, R. Okay. Now this is our family tree that is involved. Okay. So yes, D has only one son and only one daughter. Yeah, everything is said and done. As for the given information, okay, so now let's take a look. So as for the given information, how is J related to K? So how is J related to K? So J is married to K's daughter. Okay, J is married to K's daughter L. That is, J is basically the son-in-law of K. So son-in-law, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, as for the given information, how is R related to Y? R is the son of Y's brother. That is, Y is R's aunt. And Y is R's aunt and R is Y's nephew. So how is R related to Y? R is Y's nephew. So 37 will be 1. Okay, I hope this is clear how we went about with the approach. So all that was needed was simply making the family tree. Let me highlight one thing. Here squares represent males and circles represent female. Okay. So I hope this is clear how we came about with solution of the same. So in case you're having any kind of difficulty understanding, I suggest you go through the entire video multiple times and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own, so that you can get a general idea of the approach we have involved towards solving the same. So with that said, and in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire question paper, be it your VRC section, the QA section, the LRDI section, feel free to connect with us. You can actually go through with the description section of the video, wherein you will find all the contact details like our website link, our email address and our numbers, on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us, or mail us, or visit our website and contact us. So any medium you're comfortable with, whether it be any query pertaining to your exam preparation or any doubt regarding any of the subjects of your entrance exam or your any kind of exam preparations as well. And also any help regarding the complete solution of the paper itself, I'll be more than happy to help you out with these things as well. Now, having said all of that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. We'll continue our discussion with the following questions in the subsequent video. So until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.